Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to enhance PC performance for gaming. Improving your PC's performance can significantly enhance your gaming experience. Here are practical steps or guides to optimize your system for gaming. First, update your system. Windows Update. Go to Settings, Windows Update, click Check for updates, and install any available updates. Driver updates. Update your graphics drivers for optimal gaming performance. NVIDIA. Use the GeForce Experience. Intel. Use the Intel driver and support assistant. AMD. Use the AMD software. These links are provided, link in the description below, and download the latest graphics drivers. Next, optimize game settings. In game settings, lower graphics settings such as resolution, shadows, and texture quality if your PC struggles with high settings. Enable VSync. Prevent screen tearing by enabling VSync or adaptive sync in-game. Next, adjust Windows performance settings. Enable Game Mode. Go to Settings, Gaming, Game Mode, then toggle Game Mode on to prioritize gaming performance. Adjust visual effects. Press Win plus R, then type the codes, link in the description below, and hit Enter. Go to the Advanced tab, Performance, Settings, choose Adjust for best performance, or Customize to disable unnecessary visual effects. Next, free up system resources. Close background apps. Open the Task Manager by clicking Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape and end unnecessary task. Disable Startup Programs. In Task Manager again, go to the Startup tab, then disable non-essential programs to improve boot time and free up memory. Background processes. Use the system tray to close unnecessary apps running in the background by right-clicking, then choose Close Window. Next, manage storage. Free up disk space. Use the built-in disk cleanup tool. Just press Win plus S, then type disk cleanup. Click on it and choose your drive, then hit OK. Delete temporary files and unused apps by checking it, then click OK, then confirm by clicking Delete Files. Enable Storage Sense. Go to Settings, System, Storage, then toggle Storage Sense on to automatically clean up files. Upgrade to SSD. If you're still using an HDD, upgrading to an SSD can drastically improve load times. Next, adjust power settings. Choose High Performance Plan. Go to the Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, Power Options. Choose High Performance or Ultimate Performance if available. Next, maintain your hardware. Clean your PC. Regularly clean dust from fans and components to prevent overheating. Ensure proper cooling. Use additional cooling solutions or replace thermal paste if your system overheats. Upgrade components. If performance is still lacking, consider. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.